Akshay, what happened?
Oh, you're teasing tiger. Why are you teasing tiger, Akshita?
No, we have reached zoo. Akshay, where are we? Zoo.
And where is the big fish? Here is.
ये देश में तेरे से बड़ी हुई फिश है।
Wow.
Uh-oh. Let's go. Now we will see swan first. Black swan. And here is a one black swan. Look, and so many fish are there. Black swan. What do you want?
Akshu, what's that? Akshu, what's that? Loudly. Oh, black swan has come.
I want fish. Black swan. What do you
Black swan is watching us. Akshu, look.
Hello.
Let's go. Akshu, come.
So big butterfly. Butterfly बनना यहाँ पे आइए खड़े होइए अपनी मुंडी I'm butterfly now.
Emu.
Hi Emu. Where are you going? We have come to see you. So good Emu.
ईमू विश्व का सबसे बड़ा उड़ने वाला पक्षी है. Wow.
Emu उड़ लेता है.
That's great.
Emu can fly. Like this, fly. Fly like an emu, fly. Fly like an emu, fly.
Look, here is. Oh, Akshita fell down. Peacock is watching you. Stand up.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Because you say, uh-oh.
Oh,
One peacock, look.
and one is there. Go to Peacock. Oh, it's okay. Come, we'll check more. Akshu, you also have long neck. Here is.
What is this? This is so big, ostrich.
What's that, Akshita?
This big ostrich.
Hello, ostrich.
Hello.
Bye.
Hi.
You are so big.
You're so
You
big.
are so cool. Peacock saying hello to you. Hello, ostrich.
Hello.
What is there? Crow.
Hello.
Hello, crow. Sorry, animals are hello.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ostrich. Let's go. Hello.
Ostrich is going with you. Bye-bye, ostrich. Now we will watch Tiger Orange. Huh?
Orange.
Orange? Look here. Orange tiger.
Faster, come.
Look, orange tiger is drinking water. Do you want Akshita?
I want this one.
You want to watch tiger? Come, let's watch tiger. Look. Here is tiger is drinking water.
Look. Hello, tiger. What is tiger doing? Tiger is thirsty.
Akshu, say hi to tiger.
Teach coming, tiger go.
Oh, you're teasing tiger. Why are you teasing tiger, Akshita?
Tiger is going.
Tiger is watching crow. A crocodile? Come, I'll show you. Here is. Huh? You wanna check?
Crocodile is sleeping there. Wait.
इधर यहाँ देखो, यहाँ से ये बिल्कुल क्लियर दिख रहा है देखो. Here is. One is under the water and one is swimming. Akshita, look.
One crocodile.
Akshu, what's that?
This is so small, the crocodile.
And here is big.
This is so small.
Look, it's moving.
Look, it's moving. Look. Hello, crocodile.
It's coming to you.
She's saying this is so small crocodile like this. Oh my god.
This is so big. Akshu?
Oh my god.
Crocodile, are you laughing?
Yes.
I'm also laughing.
Two crocodile are coming. They are coming to welcome you.
Look, it's moving slowly.
Hello.
Hello.
Say hi to crocodile.
This is yours in my life.
Right.
This is yours and this is mine.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Crocodile is not there. It's the black bear. So giant bear. Long bear. And your home. Hi. Say to me. Hi. Leave your hand like this.
How can crocodile bear its hand like this? They're tired. They're
Let's go. Bye, crocodile.
Say bye.
Say bye, Akshita.
Bye.
Let's go. Akshu, what's that?
Porcupine. Look, porcupine is sleeping there. Oh, what's that?
What's that?
Okay. Hi, Father.
And monkeys also here.
Look, let's go to monkey.
Dad, it's the Father.
Yeah.
ज्यादातर तो छुपे हुए सो रहे हैं ठंड के चक्कर में ना. ताड़ बिलाओ. हाँ. ये सारे सो रहे हैं, देखो ना छुप के. They are sleeping. Look. Here is.
Look, they are sleeping there. So small.
This is a big.
Hi, langur.
Oh, very long. Oh, it is getting so up high. Look. Hello. Hello. Look, you can see come here. Look. Hello. Come here. What are you doing there? Get down. Bed manner. Finish your banana. Langur. Come.
Actually, let's go. Oh my God! Here is. Akshu, look.
Hi, leopard. दोनों रहता है वो अलग रहता है वो अलग रहती है
Look, Akshu, leopard is coming to you.
Here it again go
Leopard is walking like this. Akshu, come talk to leopard. They want to talk to you.
look leopard is
Come.
there.
Here is. Talk to leopard. Go. Leopard is calling you. Talk to leopard now. Talk. Call.
I guess the leopard.
leopard is doing susu sorry I don't susu potty कर रहा है tiger susu potty ये भी susu potty
Akshi, side.
Where is it? Let's go.
Side, mama.
You got the lost my crocodile friend.
But it's okay. We'll go to alligator also. Akshita is not sad, I think.
What happened?
I also said.
Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
What do you want to watch, Akshita? White tiger? Here is.
That is not real. Come here is my tiger here.
What are you doing, beta? Huh? Why are you climbing, but? Huh? Why are you climbing? Wow. Very good. Come. There are three white tigers.
Stand up.
Akshita, you are sitting like a tiger?
Yes.
Look here.
Look. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
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 How can crocodile say hello?
Wow. Say hi, Dhol.
Hi, John.
I'm going to watch elephant now. Let's go. Bye-bye, Dhol. Come back soon.
Actually, what happened? Oh, we are searching here and there. And
You want to talk to elephant? Talk. Now let's watch giant elephant. This is baby.
Akshu, what's that?
Yes. Say hi. Say hi to giant elephant. Talk. Talk to giant elephant. Talk. Elephant is dancing like this. You also dance like elephant? Dance like elephant? Properly. Yeah. Tongue. Oh, elephant is playing together. Because together is. Oh, here's also elephant. Show me. Oh my god. This is so giant. Yeah. Oh, small and big. Two elephant are there. Okay, dancing again like this, like this.
Look. इन लोगों स्कूल बस आई है ऐसा लग रहा है है ना स्कूल की ट्रिप है इसलिए सारे बच्चे हैं आखिर से बाय टू एलिफेंट
Bye, friend.
ओह
How's elephant doing, Akshita? Like this.
एलिफेंट्स आर ट्रम्पिंग
किसी चीज का इंतजार था बस. Elephant is coming to you.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Elephant. Elephant is coming to me. Stopping and coming to me.
It's coming to you.
Yes.
Oh my god.
लुक
Hi. Hi, he's smiling. He's smiling. See?
ही इज स्माइलिंग
He's smiling.
टीथ देखो,
स्माइलिंग। वाह, इन्हें स्माइल भी देख ले एलिफेंट की।
बाकी में स्माइल ही कर रहा है। अच्छा, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है।
Okay.
Come.
He's coming. Oh. Smiling like this. Elephant is smiling again and again. And how elephant is smiling?
Like this. I'm playing like this. I've been playing this.
Wow, this is so nice.
Another elephant.
Yeah.
Big elephant there. Yes.
Elephant is playing.
With dust and mud. Wow.
Oh. Elephant is playing actually. Look. Look.
It's so much fun.
Yes. Like this. Again do.
Lion? And how does lion roar? Eh? Hmm. Oh my god. An elephant do like this? Wow.
Oh, look, lion.
Oh!
This is not lion, I think. This is lioness.
It's lioness.
Oh, let's go.
Oh my
Oh, यहाँ
god!
तक आ रहा है। यहाँ तक आ रहा है। हटो, हटो।
पोटी कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है? पोटी।
Look, hippo is so near to you.
Hello, hippo.
यार, hippo potty, हर एनिमल potty कर रहा है।
अरे एनिमल पोटी कर रहा है।
Look, hippo is
सुसु
swimming.
पोटी, सुसु पोटी।
Look, hippo is swimming. Look, look.
Oh my god!
Oh wow.
And there is baby hippo. Side, इधर से देख जाएगा।
हाँ, साफ दिख रहा है, देखो, देखो।
इधर उधर से ना दिख नहीं रहा, ये आ रहा है।
Look, hippo is swimming. This is so big.
अब इधर आना। अक्षु,
Akshu, what's that? And what is hippo doing?
Like fishing.
like fishing.
Wow. One hippo and two hippo.
There is another hippo.
I want to go to water.
Huh?
I want to go to water.
Hippo wanna go to water? Okay.
What? Hippo is relaxing. Look, hippo is swimming now.
कान कितने छोटे हैं इसके?
Size देख रही हो size?
मैं कान का साइज देख रही हूँ। मुझे तब आज पोटी की इसने।
Hippo done party.
और सारे एनिमल सुसु पोटी कर रहे हैं। टाइगर, लायन।
Hippo is sneezing. Look, other hippo is also coming to swimming, I think.
I think this hippo is wanna.
Look, other hippo is also coming.
Oh,
Huh? They are talking. Look, this hippo is also coming to water. Wow. Look, now two hippo is here in the water. And wow. Now they will talk. And they'll play together. So big.
oh my, so big mouth. Oh,
Oh wow. क्या मोमेंट था ये। क्या मुंह देखा था तुमने?
सो जायंट,
पूरा
इंसान चला जाए अंदर।
Watch the mouth.
Oh my god, you also have so big mouth.
They are playing together now.
कि मजे हैं, आराम से खाओ पियो स्विमिंग करो। ये पानी में सो जाएगा क्या?
हाँ तो ये तो पानी के ही है।
सांस कैसे लेगा?
Oh, too big hippo. What?
What's up in my mouth?
Oh.
So your mouth. It's again sleeping.
You sleeping.
आया
ये सबसे ज्यादा मजेदार था यहाँ पे। हिप्पो का।
सबसे मजा तो पोटी करना था। उसने जो पोटी की है सारे बिजनेस पे पोटी पहुंची होगी। तो नॉटी हिप्पो।
So? Big hippo. Now they are relaxing. Let's go.
लेट्स
Bye hippo.
बाय बाय।
Say proper bye. Proper like this. Bye hippo. Oh, hippo is saying bye to you. Look. Oh wow, hippo is saying bye to you.
व्हाइट बग वेयर इज
छोटे उसे
ओलू लोग है। ये पूरी घुमा लेता हूँ भाई साहब।
हॉरर वाला लुक है।
ये देखो
ओह जो लुक हॉरर लुक। ओह वाओ कम यस इधर वन ईगल एंड टू ईगल।
2 second eagle sitting there. My god, is it kite? Hello, kite.
अच्छा
Wilson.
हाय वल्चर।
Hi, Wilson.
Two crocodiles. This is crocodile.
ओह चिता this is giant. Say hi.
This is so small.
उन्हें small दिख रहा है सब।
This is small
That is small.
and that is
Big.
wow. So wild boar.
This is wild boar.
Boar here actually. So many wild boar.
Wild boar बोल दो, pig बोल दो, मेरे लिए same है। Oh my god.
Look.
Where is elephant? ये बड़ा अच्छा एलिफेंट है यार।
बांध रखा है इसको साकरों से।
बांध के रखा है।
आगे से देख लो आगे से।
Oh my god.
This is so giant.
Does it look like Gajraj?
So look, black bear is playing with
Log. Tutu bear? Only one bear. Oh. Yes. बाय बाय फ्रेंड। ये होती है यहाँ पर एग्जिट। इसके अंदर से आज हमने सारे घूम लिए, सारे देख लिए थे। इससे पहले जब हम आए थे तो हम बस आधा ही घूम पाए थे और यहाँ पर खाने की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है, तो घर से खा पी के अच्छे से आइएगा। बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा थक जाते हैं हम लोग 7 बजे के निकले हुए।
लास्ट टाइम ऐसे ही हुआ था, भूख लगी थी इसलिए हम लोग चले गए थे बाहर आधा छोड़ के।
7 बजे निकले थे हम लोग और 12:20 हो रहे हैं अभी।
इस बार का टारगेट था कि पूरा करके जाएंगे।
वो थक गए फिर से बहुत ज़्यादा। बाय बाय बाय।
अच्छा थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।